Okay, y'all. So I have my leftover turkey that I cut up from the other day. I'm gonna add some honey barbecue sauce to it. And then I'm gonna kind of toss it just a little bit. Let me see. Just gonna toss it. I think it needs more. Well, actually, this should be enough. So it's coated. I'm gonna put it back in my air fryer because I already roasted it. I preheated it. I'm gonna just let it continue for the next 3 minutes, and then I have another turkey slice that I already reheated. And what I'm gonna do is cut this up. Oh, y'all can't even see. Okay, I'm gonna cut this up, and then I'm gonna put this in a separate bowl. Or actually, I can put it in this bowl after I wash it out. Alright. What I'm going to do for this turkey is do hot honey. So I'm doing two versions of like the famous bowl. KFC famous bowl, but I'm doing it my way, and it's going to be a barbecue turkey with mashed potatoes, gravy, and corn. And then the second one is hot honey, making like hot sauce and honey mixed together with mashed potatoes, corn, and gravy. So I'm going to put this in here, and then I'll get some honey, or this is hot sauce. Hot sauce. Okay, that's enough. My last thing I need to do is my potatoes are almost done. So I just kind of added a little bit of honey, some hot sauce, a lot of hot sauce. So I'm gonna put this back in there as well and let it kind of cook together. I'm gonna add a little bit more honey. And then we're going to assemble our bowls. These are microwave safe, oven safe, and I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So this is what our barbecue turkey pieces look like. What I'm going to do is, actually, give me 1 second. I got to put it on a different plate. Going to put it in this bowl for now. Okay, so this is what it looked like. So we got it out. What I'm going to need to do is put the mashed potatoes on the bottom. So that's why I'm going to air fry for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. Start. Okay. So I'm going to show y'all over here. Got the corn is done. The gravy I made homemade. And the potatoes are almost done. Or they should be done actually. Yeah, I think they're done. I only made a little bit. Like 3 potatoes I cut up. Okay. So we're going to drain these potatoes. Start assembling our bowls. So I did not make a whole bunch of potatoes. because I just wanted to try this out and see, you know, what it's like. So put some butter in these potatoes. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, just gonna mash these potatoes down. Let y'all come over here after I move this out the way. All right, y'all. I'm gonna mash these up. I put some butter in here already. Okay. Add a little splash of milk, like that much. And I'm gonna add some sour cream after I mash this up a little bit. I think I put way too much milk. Hopefully it's not. I don't want them to be like loose and weird. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of sour cream. It's already kind of liquidy. Let's hope this comes together the way I hope it does. And I did salt the water, but I will add some more seasoning. And then I'm gonna season it. I'll season it up with black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of salt. Oops, I almost went to the barbecue turkey. Like that. A little tiny bit of salt because I already did season it. Alright, so what I'm about to do is assemble everything. Look at these creamy old mashed potatoes. Great. So this is the first one. I'm gonna assemble it. I should have made some more mashed potatoes. Oh well. Okay. So I'm just gonna assemble it like this. Because why not? Alright. Assemble both potatoes. Alright, y'all. So that's all my potatoes. Now we're going to add some corn. This is some sweet corn out of the can. Okay. I think this one needs a little bit more. You don't have to put no corn if you don't want to, but I will. Because I like corn. Okay. Just gonna mix this up a little bit. Dang. Okay, now we're gonna add, for one of them, we're gonna add barbecue turkey. I have some leftovers, so I'm not gonna put the whole thing. And I'm gonna add some gravy. This is my homemade gravy from the turkey drippings. Okay. Now we're gonna add gravy to this. Wait, no, I can't do it yet. Gotta add the hot honey. See, this is what they look like for this one. Got lots of flavor. We'll see which one is best. Y'all, I think KFC should definitely put these on their menu. A turkey version. I know it's all about chicken, but shoot. Okay, so we're gonna try these out. This is the barbecue turkey one. So I'm gonna get a little bit of everything. That smoky barbecue flavor is so good with this. That is so good. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, the hot honey. That is good as hell. Okay. The reason why I say that is not just because I cooked it, but because you have two different flavor combos. Barbecue turkey, and then hot honey. I'm not talking about the bottle that says hot honey. I'm talking about just using plain old stuff like this. Y'all gotta make this at home. Let me know which one is your favorite. Barbecue turkey famous bowl, hot honey famous bowl. Let me know which one you like best. See y'all later.